Open your SolisCloud App and select your plant to engine. Select Device and select Datalogger to check your logger information. Select Add Datalogger option. You can scan the logger serial number, QR code, or manually input the serial number to add the datalogger. Select OK on the top right corner. Select View Plant and your logger is added successfully. If you want to unbind the datalogger, select the datalogger. Select the three dots on the top right corner and choose to unbind the datalogger. There will be a notice on the screen, and then select Remove to unbind the logger. There will be a notice on the screen to ask whether to keep the history data of the inverter. You can make your decision. Your logger is unbound successfully. For further help, please contact Solis official after sales service department.